So, Duke 390, flaw in the shift lever pedal, or the shift lever itself, because you can't buy this separately, at least not from KTM. The thread, I believe, is 8mm by 1.25, but they sell it as a whole thing. Mine decided to come off while I was riding. I was able to find it because I watched the video and saw where I last shifted and where my confusion was when I wasn't able to shift normally, looking for the pedal. So threads in pretty easily though. After I cleaned up all the whatever they used, there was the Loctite, whatever they used, the Loctite they used or whatever, was only on the pedal. It wasn't on the lever, so it's like it didn't bond or something. So quick, easy. If you lose yours, well, you gotta buy the whole lever apparently. I was able to find mine, putting it back on. It's not the greatest thing. It has like wear. Now I wait 24 hours for thread lock or Loctite to work. You have to shake it. I shaked it a lot because, well, I didn't realize. Well, this was a brand new one, and I didn't realize I had to put a hole in it. So I shook it. And I'm like, why am I not putting any on? So take two, I guess. Well, that's basically all. It's pretty simple. Yeah. Don't lose yours.